Can you get that out? Hey, we got a problem here, gentlemen. Yeah.
Good morning. We're heading back down to Tom's River to finish up that job before the rain comes in. I'm feeling a little sore today, and I'm sure the guys are as well. We did a lot of work breaking out that stone and bringing in the ground base. It was about 9 tons for 6.5 yards. It is 4:30 right now. The temperature is supposed to get up to 50 degrees. So right there, that's kind of our cutoff point. But like I said, the rain's coming, so we are going to be scrambling to try to get that in as soon as possible to get back on the road and get the tools back to the trailer. So you better go grab your boots because it's an early one. It's dark outside. We're going to go pick up breakfast down at Tom's River, and we'll see you guys on the job site. So come on, let's go. I'm at the yard. I'm going to fire up the truck, but it is 5:10 and 34 degrees outside. So it's a little chilly. I don't think we're gonna need ice today. I just left the cooler open. Like a champ. And they're doing early morning deliveries to 7-Eleven. So I'm parked like an idiot. Hopefully he'll come out of here soon and we can go pick up Wilson. So come on, Dom, let's go. Let's get it. Let's get going. Let's do our thing. You can do it. I bet he's really sore. I'm gonna ask him as soon as he gets in the truck. This is the first time he's been doing work like this. Before this, he was working for a construction company, putting up drywall and things like that. Good morning. There's your earphones.
Yeah, the headphone, right?
How you feeling?
I'm good, man.
You good? Good morning.
Good morning, man.
How are you?
I'm good.
You feeling all right? Nice. Yo, you can't bring 7-Eleven coffee into another bagel shop.
Nope.
Nope.
You're gonna get mad. Excuse me, can I have that in here?
Yo, what is that? You put some cream in there?
Yeah, right there. You threw out one of my gloves.
No, I didn't.
There's another glove in the front. I left both of mine right here.
Well, then here, grab another one out of the box. Hey, you need this one or this one?
Left here.
Or maybe this one. You need another one? Get to work.
Let's move this. You can tell.
Start doing shit.
Oh, hey. What do we got to do? Just piss them off. All right, we're here.
So here's the custom-made dolly. Look at that. It's a beaut.
You don't see it? Yo, your coffee. There it goes. That's what you get for drinking his orange juice yesterday. We're gonna need this. Grab the claws. Can you grab the dolly? Let's see if we can get this guy in. It's windy back here today. We have spotty clouds, but the rain is fast approaching. As you can tell with the wake of the water. But all the weed barrier is still here, which is a good thing for now. Good morning. Alright, here's what we're going to try to do. Try to lift this up as high as we can, and then back that in. Somewhere centered. So you want to jam it in there, or you want to lift it up?
No, I'll lift it. You'll lift it and put it in the middle if you want.
We're going to try to get it as far up as we can. You only need to lift it about this watch.
Please. 1, 2.
Alright, put it down.
I could go to the other side.
Yeah. Hold in.
Oh, wait. The dolly slipped because of this.
Got it?
The dolly keeps slipping. A little bit.
It's flat, that's why. Can you get the air compressor? Thank you. I'm gonna do this one first. Oh, the dog's up. Oh yeah.
You don't think we should take the off of it before you do that? Don't that look good to a certain pressure for a thing? And well, that's on. Fill up a car.
Going up?
What's good, guys?
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
You guys are all good?
Yep.
Do you need help moving this?
No, we just need to blow up the tires. We got a little dolly underneath of it. Yeah.
Alright, I got a couple meetings this morning, so just text me, like, if you need me.
Okay. Yeah, we'll do. Appreciate it. All right.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem at all. Can you lift it up again? All right.
You got it?
Yeah. That should help us out a little bit, right?
Yeah.
I think so. Hey, look how easy that is now. Yeah, we have to move the other turf. I don't want to see where the lean is. Okay, so this corner, your corner's got to go back there. That's good. We'll go stop it there. Just roll the rest. Can you get that out?
Push it a little forward this way.
Okay. Straighten that up. I'm gonna go get a knife. It's a heck of a lot easier with a dolly. We got it in. It's 7:15. We just had breakfast. Sun's peeking up. It's gonna be a good day. Good morning. I have a wrist brace on. I slept on it funny last night. Hopefully that won't hinder my ability to work here with these guys.
It doesn't matter. We just gotta get this off the plastic and then we'll be able to roll it.
Let's keep going. Darn. Why are there still staples sticking up?
Because the wind.
Very nice. What's he doing?
He jumped over when it was rolling.
Jeez. Kick it to the side, just get it out of here for now. You gotta go back. And that way. Yep. What do we need, like a foot?
Pulling it? Yeah.
You think that's good? That's good. I guess we'll start from there. We'll start here.
Yeah. You need a lot of it.
How far we gotta go? 3 feet?
Oh, more.
Yeah, more. Not much. We're going like 3-4 inches. All right.
Did you get that?
Try to get flat. Damn, brah. I feel like I'm out working on a boat. I'll fall off that dock. It's gonna be chilly out there.
Dom can't swim.
You can? It's a good thing it's only a foot deep.
Oh, it's bigger now. Look.
It's not. It's only a foot deep.
That's big, big.
Hey, we got a problem here, gentlemen.
What? Have to bring more this way?
Let me go get a tape measure. I believe that one roll has to fit all the way across from the fence to the tip of that paper patio. That's the way the design was made. And as you guys can see, we're like a foot off. So I want to make sure that that measurement's correct. We still have a little bit more room on that fence line that we can pull out. But I don't know if it's going to make it. Wow.
What's your measurements off?
Yeah. I measured 13 from the fence to this corner. And it's like 15 and a half. Because that piece is only going to where your feet are right there. So what's the other option?
Move it as much as we could, right? And we'll just have to use more of that. I know you don't want
It's
to
gonna be off the fence, though, right?
No, because we have enough over there. It's just we'll be cutting it.
15's here. So no matter, it's not going to make it.
Yeah, because it's only 15.
I swear, I think I measured that 13, dude. That just made it a lot more complicated. So the question is, do we want the seam patch here, or do we want
There.
the seam patch along that fence line?
That's what I'm thinking. I think it's better on this on the fence line, because this is where majority of people are going to be. The fireplace, seats.
The problem is, this is such a shorter piece than that, but we could strip off that 36 foot and do 2 seams on the left and right.
And that'll make that job a little bit easier.
Getting across that fence line, it'll be harder.
Harder?
Yeah, because it's a lot easier.
Instead of one solid piece.
It's a lot easier with one piece. Yeah. So you want to come to this edge, and we'll run that seam going down this way on this edge. Patch that 36 foot in here and here.
Yeah, for that.
Okay. Well, let's get yanking. A little bit more.
More? A little bit more.
That's good. You somewhat straight down there? You're a little off kilter. Got to pivot it a little bit this way. The push knife? And some hammers?
So what's the next?
Some trash bags too?
What's the next phase?
You and I are going to maneuver this into place here. And then whatever's left on scrap over there, we're going to piece in along this fence line. See if we can maneuver this into place here. Would you go swimming in water like that if it's rough like that? That's not even rough.
Yeah, that's I don't go too deep. I ain't stupid now. The only thing is I can swim. But I don't know how to tread water good.
You can swim, but you don't know how to tread water. So then you don't.
Good. I don't know how to do good enough. Like me, I'm the type of person. I'm not gonna say I know how to do something until I know I could. I'm confident.
Until you're like Michael Phelps.
Exactly.
So I'm gonna cut a 1 foot strip over here and plop it in there. And we'll glue it in. So we'll do 2 seams. That way the seams are out of the way, not in the eye shot. I'd rather have that than a butt cut here and then a little trim up here. Then this little tit have problems with coming out.
Since you're doing it to the door, you're doing that little strip too.
We're doing the little strip too.
But it's all over here.
We're gonna cut a piece in there, don't worry. Right there's good. You don't need to go any farther. You wanna do that one for me? If you'd be so kind. Make sure none of that goes in the water. Keep going. Okay, you're good. What the hell's on here? Well, actually, you want to cut that with the straight down? Because we're going to need that anyway on that side. Might as well make it nice. Nice job. That's good. Alright, that's good. I want the sun to stretch this out for a bit. Is that 2 feet? Can I follow this over? Yeah, let's just rip 2 feet.
I gotta do this.
2 feet off that?
This side?
Yeah, because that's already ripped. 2 feet's here. Yeah, push nice right there.
Yeah.
So this one. Alright, I got you. Your brother doesn't know what he's doing with carpet, man. I thought you said you were good with carpet.
All the way? You guys bent it a little bit. You gotta tell me.
Why do I gotta tell you everything, man?
You're so good. Why? You're acting like Dave. Expect you to do the job you don't know what to do.
Yeah. I mean,
Question is the first thing.
I have instructional videos on the internet for you to watch before you come here. So you know what to do, or you need to tell me? To make it less noticeable, it's more work, but there's less time that you're going to be standing in that hallway or the alleyway and staring at the seam. So it's the better presentation. So that's what we're going to do. Let's get this other 2 feet section cut. These lava rocks are really getting on my nerves. They're getting everywhere.
Oh, you gonna put that one there?
Yeah. Just gonna cut this off right here. So that's it, laid out. Got it? We gotta wait for that sun to come up here. Stretch this stuff out a little bit. It's 9:15. About 49 degrees right now. Just checked the weather. It's supposed to start raining around 3 o'clock. Started cutting. And then nailing along that fence line. I'm gonna start gluing up. Sun's trying to peek through. Still cloudy, but it is supposed to get up to 50 degrees in the next hour or so. And that'll help stretch this out. So we're working on one side at a time along that fence line, and we're gonna stretch it along this paver patio, just so we can get it as taut as possible. hold on. And also, you got glue right here. So don't lean on the turf, all right? You don't want to get the glue on the top of the turf. Okay, I'm gonna take that. It'll make a mess. If you don't know, now you know. We have that 2-foot strip along the fence line all seamed in. Cutting around the paver edge is already complete. We got Dom doing a good job nailing that in so it's not a tripping hazard. We're all laughing at that because he didn't do a great job the first time. But he'll learn, you know. He does it right because he does it twice, right? This is the last seam. We only expected to have this seam, but during the original measurement from that fence line to the tip of this paver patio, I swear I thought I measured 13, but it turned out to be 16. And I wrote that on the project plan. I double checked the quote that I wrote out, and it in fact was 16. So I messed up on the layout for these guys as well as the purchasing of the turf. So unfortunately we had to do another seam over there. Luckily we got enough glue, enough staples to put it all in there. But unfortunately it was probably not the best day to be able to do extra work just because we got that weather barreling down on us. Oh boy, here comes the wind. What? Yeah, the temperature's changing, the weather's changing. It's getting really windy. I wish we would have did this job during the summer.
We could have enjoyed it better.
Yeah, I'd rent a kayak and go get lunch somewhere on the water.
But he didn't believe me because I was swimming, and it was late night. It was at my aunt's house, and I was like, "Yo, Dom, that water's deep." And did it look deep? 20 years ago. He said, "No, it ain't." He thought he was cool. He jumped in and started drowning. You're drowning because you're back.
Yeah, yeah. Start swimming. Kick those legs.
Then my cousin went in there to save him. This kicked off of him and started swimming regular. I was like, I'm not jumping in.
Say if you want to start putting staples in there, start moving them in and out, I'll walk it out because there's wrinkles all over this, so we'll walk it out as you're stapling it. Put 2 nails right on the edge of this.
Right here?
Yeah, smack it towards the mortar though. Yeah, like that. Oh, that's not good. That's not good at all. I just smashed the shit out of my finger. That really hurts. That's not good. Wind's picking up real bad. Gale force winds coming through. We only got that left to cut. Well, I got that left to cut. With Willie not here, I'm cutting them all with a busted finger and a hurt wrist. Not a good situation, but it is what it is. about 11:15 right now. Trying to get the hell out of here. Back to Bayonne. One more bead. That's it for the cutting. Not a great day. We'll see how that turns out when I get home. It's cold out here. It feels like it's gonna rain any minute. My wrist hurts. Now my finger kills. It's coming out really nice though.
I'm running out for like 15 minutes. Cool?
Hey, absolutely.
Come on, Mia. She can't wait to get in that. Come on, baby. Come on, crazy.
Yeah, that's fine. We're gonna be a lot longer than that.
Okay, cool.
All right.
Let's go.
Watch my finger.
You gotta take the pay, man.
One of you guys are gonna have to tie this. I can't do that with my finger. You want me to hit him in and then you can follow behind? No?
I'll do it.
Okay.
You sure you don't want me to do that? So you don't have me?
I can do it. My hands are already busted.
Oh, you're becoming a man today, boy. He's a the hospital. By the end of the day, you're gonna be wearing a do-rag.
Just trying to sink these nails right into this mortar bed. Because we can. We should probably get some mallets, right?
I was thinking about that shit.
Like little sledgehammers for jobs like this. Such a master nailer.
Yeah, his finger looks like it.
Literally working with 2 fingers here. That's all I got left.
I'm crying. You told Dave about this.
Yeah.
Man up! He's gonna call you right when I tell him. I heard you was over there whining like a little girl.
I mean,
You wanted to go to the hospital? You can't do what I do. You hit it that fucking hard? Okay, you hit this shit hard.
right now it is 11:50. Supposed to get rain down here in Toms River. Just check the radar, make sure that we're good here. So 11:30. Oh yeah, it's coming. Luckily we're almost finished. We got the infill going in right now. Wilson and Dom are putting that in. We should have everything broomed and cleaned up and packed up, ready to go. We're gonna make it for sure. We gotta get a little up here, gentlemen.
Yeah, no, I was gonna do that by hand.
Okay. Luckily you have 2. Yeah. This is ours, right? This blue one? Definitely ours. Any other staples or nails throughout this rock bed? If you can find them, chuck them in the trash, just to make sure that the dog doesn't get injured. Let's fire up this guy. stapled.
Oh, you forgot to do that inside?
What? Thank you. I can't with my hand. Killing me. We just finished up. We just talked to the client. He's very happy with it. Thank God we got that done in time for them to have their Thanksgiving back there. But we're gonna see you guys on the next one. Wilson, nice job, buddy. As always. Dom. Thumbs up. We're gonna see you guys on the next one. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.